I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add calendar alerts to your iPhone as well as travel time alerts. So your first step is to open up your calendar app, and then we're going to click the plus icon on the top right to add a new calendar item to our list. So I'm just going to name this random as a test. Next, we're going to need to add a location to add a travel time alert. So we're going to tap on location. So type in a particular location, like let's say, for instance, I'm going to type in Disneyland. So now I'm going to have this set to be, let's say, later today at 7 p.m. Next, we're going to scroll down to the alerts section, and as you can see, because I added the location of where this is going to automatically add time to leave as one of the alerts. And so when it is time to leave based on the estimated time it would take to get there, it is going to give you an alert. Now, to add a second alert, because this is typically going to be a leave right now kind of notification, we're going to add a alert for, let's say, an hour. And obviously you're just going to click that alert tab, and you can add anytime between 5 minutes to a week before. I'll choose an hour, and now you're all set. So you click add and you're done. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.